This is John and Parita, and we're here outside Tower 2 of our SM Light condominium residences. So this is Tower 2, way up there on the 43rd floor is where we're at, but I'll come back down here and we're gonna briskly walk and show you around. There's Tower 1, and then over there is Tower 3, and this is the garden area outside the towers. And we'll walk over here because we also have two Olympic size swimming pools, and it's very windy, so pardon the wind, but I wanted to give you a nice view of. And normally it's really sunny, but it's already in the mid-afternoon, about 3 o'clock. And so this is the outside of all three of these towers, what they look like. And so I hope you enjoy our videos as much as we're enjoying being here and sharing our experiences with you. And we're actually on the 8th floor here as well. This is on the 8th floor is where this swimming pool and gardens and pavilions, little gondolas I guess you'd call them, so you could enjoy like a nice little barbecue picnic. So we hope you'll join us for more videos, and I'll also try to show you the base of this building and also the SM Light Mall area. So thank you. God bless.